How you doing, sixth graders? So just as a reminder from our lesson today that we began about ecology. Ecology is the study of the relationships between organisms and their environments and the balances between those relationships. So it's the study of the relationships between organisms, living things, and their environments, and the study of the balance between those relationships. So sometimes those things are in balance, sometimes those things are not in balance. And we had two types of factors that we covered today. One of those are biotic factors and the other is abiotic factors. And those should be in your notes. So biotic factors and abiotic factors. A couple of links down in the show notes as well. Biotic factors include things, living things, biotic, meaning life, and abiotic means without life, right? So biotic factors include things like mammals, insects, plants, microorganisms, viruses, bacteria. Viruses are kind of weird. They're kind of alive, kind of not. We'll talk about that. Bacteria certainly is alive. Reptiles, birds, dinosaurs, that type of thing. Living things with life as we currently call it. Abiotic, abiotic, abiotic factors include things like air, sunlight, radiation, heat, those kinds of factors that impact an ecosystem. And today we talked about things like solar flares as well being part of the actual ecosystem as well. So that's our big takeaway from today. Ecology, study of the relationships between organisms and their environments and the relationships between organisms and their environments within a thing. We talk about ecological systems here on Earth, but also out in space as we've been studying. So we're going to tie those two together starting this week. Make sure you get your stories done, and I'll see you tomorrow.